Hello everyone, my name is Brian Arias and she is my partner Michelle Chavez. And today we will study something incredibly entertaining and important: English sounds. Do you realize that the words we use are composed of little sounds? If we can learn to pronounce those sounds correctly, we will be able to speak English more effectively and explore it together. So, we are going to talk about something super important for speaking English: vowels. They may seem simple, but vowels are actually a bit more complicated than we think. In English, we have 5 vowels letters: A, E, I, O, U. But there are over 20 different vowel sounds. Let's take it step by step. First, think about short vowels and long vowels. These sounds can change the meaning of the words. The short vowels in the word sit, in the I, is short and quick. And what about long vowels? In this case, we have sit.
Seat.
The E is a long and stretched. Can you hear the difference?
Sit. Seat. Sit. Seat.
Here we have 2 more examples. With short, not,
Not.
and long, note.
Note.
What about another example? Pet, beat. Pet, beat. Now let's think about thumb position. The thumb position. Depending on the whether your tongue is in the front or back of your mouth, the vowel sound change. So here we are, image about that. In front vowels, these are made with tongue at the front of the mouth. The tongue at the front of the mouth. Okay? So that, for example, with A and beat. Okay? What about in bed? And what about in cat? What about with the vowels? Here the tongue is placed further back in the mouth. Yeah, is in the back. For example, boot, boat, father. And now we have our special convenience called diphthongs. There are 2 vowels combined into one sound. For example, we have coin, where the O and I blend together into one sound. Another one, make, where the A and E combine. And the last one, flower, where the O and the U form a unique sound. So, vowels in English are super versatile. It's not just about knowing the letters, but also understanding how they sound in different words. Try repeating these examples in front of a mirror to see how your mouth moves.
Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about consonant in English. Consonants are sounds we make when it doesn't flow from a letter or mouth. Unlike vowels, to make a consonant, we need to block or stop the air using different parts of the mouth, like our lips, teeth, or tongue. First, let's see where consonants are made in the mouth. We close our lips to make sounds like P in pot, B in block, or M in some. Close your lips and try them. The tongue touches the teeth. For example, th and think, th and that. Try touching your upper teeth with your tongue and say think. These sounds happen when the tongue touches the roof of the mouth, just behind the teeth. For example, are T in tango, D in doubt, and S in samba. Now, let's tell about consonant sounds are made. We completely block the air and then release it quickly. For example, P in happen, K in echo, and B in Lego. Air passes through a small opening like F in phone, S in twister, and sh in cushion. The air passes through the nose instead of the mouth. Examples are M in hammer, and in soften, and in sink. Finally, we have voice and voiceless sound. The vocal cords don't vibrate. Examples are P in pig, T in tiger, and K in cat. The vocal cords vibrate. Examples are B in ball, D in dog, and G in go. Try touching your throat when you say pig and then big to feel the difference.
Now, let's play the game. I say a word, and you have to tell me if it starts with a vowel or consonant. Pay close attention to starting sounds. Elephant. This is a vowel or consonant?
elephant, elephant,
It is E sound smooth, like a vowel. Tiger. Vowel or consonant?
tiger, tiger,
Does the T sound block the air? What about umbrella? Vowel or consonant? Listen the U sound. Is the free flowing like a vowel?
umbrella, umbrella,
Banana. Vowel or consonant? What do you hear at the start?
banana, banana,
Giraffe. Vowel or consonant at the start? Notice how the G stops the air at the beginning.
giraffe, giraffe,
Let's try something fun. What happens if we change the first sound of the word? If we change the C in cat to B, what do we get? Bad, right? See how the sound change. Cat, bad. Now, if we change the E in E to L, we get leg. We've changed a vowel to a consonant. This shows how the first consonant of the word completely changed the meaning. Cool, isn't it? And now, let's see what you've learned. Answer these quickly questions. What the first sound in orange? Is it a vowel or consonant? Does the word ball start with a vowel or consonant? Look around and find 3 words. Decide if they start with a vowel or a consonant. Post the answer in the comments and we'll let you know if you are right.
Today we learned that English has 2 types of sounds: vowels, open sounds, and consonants, closed sounds. Vowels allow the words to flow smoothly and provide a melody of language, while consonants add structure and clarity, helping to share the words we use. By understanding the difference between these types of sounds, we can improve our pronunciation and communication skills. To become a better speaker and reader, practice listening to words and figuring out if they start with a vowel or consonant. This simple exercise not only enhances your listening skills, but also boosts your confidence in speaking. Remember, the more you practice, the easier and more enjoyable it becomes. Keep practicing, it's fun. And it's an essential part of mastering an English language. As you go about your day, try to identify the sound of words around you, whether in conversations, music, or books. each sound you recognize brings you one step closer to becoming an expert in English sounds. Happy learning!